Your WhatsApp is a mess like mine, you're going to love this. With Bolt, you can finally organize your chats into lists in seconds. Group clients, leads, team members, whatever makes sense for you. So let's go with an example. Let's say I want to place Matthias into a list. I can go to this section, and with this first action, I'm going to be able to place Matthias in a list. It could be, for instance, Office. Of course, you can place someone in multiple lists at the same time. So for instance, with Santiago, I could say he's from the office, but he's also a friend. And since we love shortcuts in Bolt, you can do this much faster with some shortcuts and keyboard. So for instance, we could use Command P here to place in a list, and then we could say this one is a friend. Or with Command P here, I can say this one is both a friend and a user. Once all your contacts are in lists, you can use this new section to go to a specific list and work around that. So let's say I want to be focused in Office. I could go here and I can be working only with Office related tasks. And of course, we have shortcuts for this as well. So with Command and a number, you can go to that space. For instance, in my case, Command 7 is going to filter all our users in Bolt. And I can just chat with them and then go back to a different task. With lists, you can define your own workflows, so you can work on what matters the most for you at any time. We hope you enjoy it.